you're still depending on your 9 to 5 to build wealth in 2025, you're already behind. This year, the internet isn't just a playground, it's a gold mine. But only those who know what to mine will strike it rich. So if you're 18 to 30 and tired of watching others flex lives they built online, while you're stuck in a cycle of bills and burnout, listen up. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you the top 3 high-income skills to master online this year, so you're not just making money, you're making moves. Words still sell, only now. AI does the heavy lifting. Copywriting, supercharged by tools like ChatGPT, is the perfect blend of human psychology and tech. Brands are hungry for skilled writers who know how to prompt AI, edit results, and turn plain text into profits. It's not about writing novels. It's about writing sales funnels, landing pages, and email campaigns that convert. Ever seen a talking toaster ad? Someone wrote that and got paid. Start small, scale fast. Within months, you could be pulling in $3,000 to $7,000 per client. And just when you think it's saturated, there's a new niche opening every day. But what if you want to make money, even while you sleep? Create once, sell forever. Courses, Notion templates, ebooks, toolkits, whatever you know, monetize it. In 2025, the creator economy isn't slowing down, it's exploding. You don't need millions of followers. You need a problem to solve and a smart funnel to sell it. Why trade time for money when you can trade value for freedom? Whether it's productivity hacks or niche knowledge, people will pay, especially if it saves them time, money, or pain. And speaking of pain, web design, paid ads, SEO, automation. Pick one. Go deep. Own it. Clients don't want generalists. They pay top dollar for precision specialists who get results. Position yourself right and you'll go from $20 an hour gigs to $10,000 retainers. No degree, no gatekeeping. Just proof of work and confidence. Companies are outsourcing more than ever, and they're looking for you. But that window won't stay open forever. So, will 2025 be another year of watching or winning? Learn AI-enhanced copywriting. Create a digital product. Master a high-income freelance skill. Because the world doesn't reward potential. It rewards action. And if you want to know the secret to turning even small online income into long-term wealth, tap the video on your screen now. It's called The Power of Compounding. And trust me, it'll change how you think about money forever. Your future self is already watching.